Welcome to our quick guide. Today, we'll show you how to share your Amazon Prime Video account with your family. Let's dive in. First, log into your Amazon Prime Video account. Open the app or website and head to Account Settings. Next, find the Manage Your Household option. This is where you can add family members. Select Add Adult or Add Child. For adults, they'll need their own Amazon account. Send an invite to their email. They'll receive a link to join your Prime Video family. Once they accept, they'll have access to your Prime Video account. It's that simple. Enjoy your family movie nights. With everyone on board, explore thousands of titles together. From classics to the latest releases, there's something for everyone. Don't forget, each member can create their own profiles. This way, everyone has personalized recommendations. Now you can enjoy Prime Video together without conflicts or mix-ups. Family time has never been better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on streaming. Ready to share your Prime Video account? Go ahead and start your family viewing party. Catch you next time. Enjoy the show!